Hello, Professor. Um, I'm Shivaram Krishna Seelam Sethi from Team Hogwarts. Now I'm going to give a presentation on the development of Android app team. The project focuses on development of an Android app which will evaluate the soft skills of the users. The soft skills are linked with their personal ability and quality of work being produced by them. This Android app requires uh, the data from apps like Zoom, Slack, and Outlook. Coming to the project analysis, when we start a project, we need to guarantee that all the resources are being present for the development of the project, and also evaluate the risks being associated while developing or after development of the project. This project also guarantees project analysis also guarantees that the project will be completed within the time stipulated to minimize the budget to guarantee, and also guarantees that resources are being fully utilized, and the project should be carefully specified and allocated based on the nature of the task. The project design requires the software requirements. Basically, we need system, and then we need to have Android Studio in IDE for developing the Android app. We need to know Java coding, and we should have Postgre database being installed on it, and the Amazon web services for the cloud integration of data. The functional requirements are: the system should have an application programming interface which connects all the system components into a single platform and handle and understand the commands from speech recognition module. The software will use a Python backend. To offer the artificial intelligence assistance conversation capability, the system has to include a text-to-speech recognition. And the data, whenever we keep acquiring data, the data will be of becoming very huge. And for the data protection, the software should integrate two-step authentication. To ensure that clients' responsibilities are filtered and processed quickly, the AI assistant should be coded using keywords. Non-functional requirements. Portability. The system may be accessed from any electronic device that has internet connectivity, making it very convenient. And usability, the system will be used in customer service delivery, allowing clients' concerns to be accessed and answered more quickly and efficiently. Because the systems are so intricate in its features, it should be investigated as often as possible to minimize the accumulation of bugs. And clients will communicate with the AI voice assistant or text commands. Thus, an administrator will be necessary to guarantee that everything is working smoothly. The app features will be username, and whenever we open the app, it will ask us to log in with the username and password. And if we are new, then we have to register and then log in. When we log in into the app, it will show the performance results of our collected data. When we design an app, the basic user interface of Android is defined in XML file and is compiled into equivalent Android graphic user interface class with attributes represented by methods. So coming to the project design, the major goal of the project is to integrate virtual assistant technology into customer service, which will reduce human mistake in service delivery. The project will be monitored by a project committee made up of technical and management professionals. The project is intended to save corporations money by allowing them to redirect resources towards enhancing virtual assistant technology rather than hiring customer care representatives. And before the project is being delivered, a software developer will examine the project deliverables to evaluate the performance. Oversight will be the responsibility of an artificial intelligent expert. This is a basic application layout of the login page. And when we log in, it will show the soft skills of the user. The application layout design has a front-end mobile application, and this front-end mobile application acquires data from the backend databases using MySQL commands or PostgreSQL. And the data will be collected from the applications like Zoom, Slack, and Outlook Mail in the form of datasets like Excel sheet called CSV file or JSON files. And these will be integrated into the MySQL or databases using application programming interface. Now, I will show I'll run the app. So when we run the app, open the app, it will show us to log in. We enter the credentials. Then it will show the soft skills being reviewed day by day in this format. So the integrations and testing, when we run the program, it will show the data accordingly. So coming to the PostgreSQL database analysis, the data is being fed, the data being fetched from the apps, Slack, Zoom, and all are integrated into the PostgreSQL. And this data is being analyzed. Integrations and testing. The app's functions and features worked well. Data was successfully extracted from the apps and being integrated into the databases, and the database successfully generates by the PostgreSQL. Database connecting app is working successfully. These are the design screenshots. Coming to the security features, we are using encryption for the data present in the uploaded files and implemented validations across the pages using JavaScript. Only user can download the file when owner is approved his request by entering the key provided by the cloud user. Cloud user will only accept the secured files. Coming to the evaluation and future work, in this project, we have built a solid foundation for the team app. We can use this software to collect and analyze user communication information and calculate soft skills scores. And the future scope of the project is developing a range of APIs that provide access to read, write, and update all kinds of data from the apps automatically. Automatically import the collected data into the PostgreSQL database, and then the PostgreSQL database API updates the daily and weekly data in the team app automatically. Thank you.